How to create QR code for PDF file. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will go ahead and talk about this short tutorial. Now basically, first things first, you want to go ahead and open up any kind of application that can read a PDF file. It can be Adobe Acrobat, but in my case, I'm going to be using this application called Cam Scanner. So you can just go ahead and open up your preferred application. Now basically, once inside, you want to go ahead and locate your PDF file. To do that, you want to go ahead and click on Files, click on Import Files, and from here you specifically want to go ahead and go to the destination of your PDF file. Right after that, you can just go ahead and hold click on the specific PDF file that you want to share, and from here you want to click on the share button. Inside the share button, you specifically want to scroll all the way down, and from here you can then go ahead and see an option called share QR code. Now unfortunately in my device that is not available as of the moment, so you can just go ahead and look for the share QR code button in order to do so. Now if this video has been helpful, please leave us a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.